Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with just a couple of project shares and a little package that I received. The first thing is we had to create a Valentine's card, and I used pretty much all different kinds of the conversation hearts. So this one is like a plastic one. You have the little clay bits. These are foam. And then I popped up a fun rosette on the side. And yeah, I love the way that it turned out. So that's the first card I made for a swap. And then another swap I'm doing, I made a couple of, it's a St. Patrick's Day swap. So I made a couple cards for St. Patrick's Day. I started out with the bright green cardstock, put a little bit of gold over top of it. You Make Me So Happy, that whole little thing I had in my stash. It was gifted to me. A couple little hearts that were gifted to me that have some shamrocks on them. And a chipboard piece. And then I added the Nuvo drops. So that's the first one. This is the second one. I used more of a like Kelly green on this one, or grass green. And then I put a little bit of the glitter cardstock that is glittered. It's self-sticking though, so I didn't have to glue it or anything. Then I have some shamrocks in the background, just some little stickers. I also put some of the green and white hearts in the background. You can barely see the clouds that are peeking out like a rainbow underneath the pot of gold. And then I added 3 flowers, popped them up, and a fun piece of chipboard that says "You're my pot of gold." And then again, I wanted to add some kind of element, so I used the orange Nuvo drops, so it's not just too much green. So those are the cards that I have made. And then I received a package, Triple C Creations here on YouTube. Had a little giveaway, and she was giving away some card kits. And I got one of them. I will link her channel down below in the description so that you can go and show her some crafty love. And then I thought I would go ahead and create a card or two with you. I think these are all the envelopes. So she put embellishments in this bag. She gave us washi. And then here are some more embellishments. Now, I'm in a birthday club, and I make a lot of birthday cards each month. So I also pulled out my stamp, my happy birthday stamp. And I thought I may stamp happy birthday on them somehow. I probably need to get some white cardstock for that, but I think I have some. I'll be right back. I just want to grab some white cardstock. It's just over here. I have plenty of it in my scraps drawer, which I need to use up. So if I need to, I got some of those that are scrapped. And then here are the cards that she sent me. The card bases, I guess I should say. You get several of them. I love the llama one. That's fun. And then here are the cards. She sent 6 cards, so enough for 6. And plenty of bases. So let's, I think I will do possibly one or two, I don't know what's on that one, cards. Let's see. I'm going to put some of my bases over here. I thought I had more. Okay, I'm going to use this one here. And I think I will use that one on there. And for my card bases, I use, where is it? I've set it out. I use double-sided tape, just thin double-sided tape. I don't like to use glue when I put a card base down because it like makes it wrinkled when it dries. So I just put some of double-sided tape on. Try to get it down a little close on each side. Because I want the edges to stick, definitely. And then I have a tendency not to look and see which way the card opens. And I put stuff on upside down all the time. I've had to restart a whole project because of that. Because you think you have your card set right side up, and it's upside down. So, yeah. Now, let's see if I can get this on here correctly. Pretty good there. I do not measure hardly at all. All of my cards I make and stuff are from scratch. So in this bag, it looks like we have a lot of shapes. And some circles, rectangles, all kinds of, these llamas are so cute. And some chipboard there. And then we have, let me move this out of the way. If you're watching this video and crafting while you watch it, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you're crafting. So I have some little shapes in there. I have some little tags and flags, some stamped sentiments, some buttons, or button stickers, a flower just for you, another chipboard, grow wild and free, some little clear stickers, some more shapes, a llama to cut out. This one says find your way, so much happy, so fun. These are going to be fun. Okay, I like this, but it's bent. I just need to fix it. So, let's see what we can do. I think I'm going to use, now that goes all the way across, and I don't mind it going all the way across, but I don't want it this thick. So I'm going to cut it down to about 1.25 inches. And I think I'll put it here. Put the llama on top. Let's see, I want this so much happy sticker, I think. Let's see. I wonder if this is a clear sticker or if it is a sticker at all. Let me see. It feels like a sticker. Maybe it's just shiny. So we'll use this. And we'll put this here with the llama on it. I'll pop some of that up. And then maybe the arrow. And then pop this up on top of the arrow. I really would like to have just something just a little bigger. There's that Find Your Way that has an arrow with it. And I could pop it up above that arrow. Let's do that. Now, I do glue. After I put my base on, I will use glue for my embellishments. And I don't like using Elmer's craft glue, but I'm not going to waste it, so it's not my favorite, but I'm going to use it up. Oh. How about that when I'm recording? And actually, I have a little wet wipe right there. And then we want to pop the llama up with some try to make sure I had everything that I thought I would need this time, so I don't have to stop the video and take up a lot of time. I wish I knew how to edit, but maybe I don't wish, because I know it takes a lot of time to edit before you upload, and I upload a lot of videos, so having to edit all of them would be, yeah, that would be hard. So I'm going to put this llama here, and I don't know if I need another circle. I don't know. Grow Wild and Free, that wouldn't show up very well. Let's see, let's just stamp out a happy birthday, and we'll put that on it, which I got it wet with that wet wipe. It needs to dry. Now, I'm not an expert stamper. I'm surprised I'm even stamping in front of you, because I'm just not expert at it. Which way does it go on? And maybe, I don't know. This is it. So let's see if we can get this straight. And we will get this as straight as possible, but then I will cut my cardstock afterwards. I picked out this green Lucky Clover, Picked Raspberry, or Dirty Concord, and I think I'm gonna, or Dusty Concord. I think I'm gonna use it rather than just use the black. Or is that too much color? Let's just use black. Let's try it. I'm not expert stamper. Okay, it worked. It's okay. Then I can cut it out. I don't want to cut it too short. That looks straight. And Shay, if you're watching this, I did sharpen my blade. this side. There. Maybe a little more so that corner won't show. Ah! There we go. And then do it at the top. I like to do it about the same there. So there is our happy birthday. It's okay. It's not perfect. And then I'm going to put it here. I think I'm going to pop it up. I got to get these little pieces. There. And a little poppy dot. I need to go back to 99-cent store and get some more of these. That's where I like to get these little rectangles. No. So we will put our happy birthday up here. There we go. And there is one of the cards. Now I probably will use Nuvo drops. I usually want either Nuvo drops or some kind of Jimmy on it. Just to finish it up. You know, I could use these little dots here. Let's do that. We'll put one here. And we'll put one up here. So there's two. I really like to use three. But I don't want it to be too matchy-matchy. I don't like it to be in line with another one. Maybe if I stick it under here a little bit. Because I don't like them to be too matchy-matchy or in a row, if that makes sense. So there is one of my birthday cards. And, okay, so this, I don't do a lot of craft with me's. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you've been crafting or reading or I don't know what you've been up to. I am sitting at home crafting while I have a heart monitor on. So we'll see how that goes. It's kind of irritating. The tape kind of irritates my skin. So, but anyways, if you like my card, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit that little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And I will be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.